I can't believe na from, you know, yung age, may bata, meron na rin mga beautiful na mga, alam mo na, darating din tayo sa ganong edad. Wala naman akong sinasabi, kung relasyon yan. Hindi, wala. Wala akong gusto, ano yun.
Wala, lahat Gen Z, tama? Lahat ay Gen Z, tama? Mag-ingay yung mga Gen Z! Perfect! Walang nanay dito.
Kita ko si Jack.
Ha?
Sorry.
Yeah.
No.
It's your imagination.
What I was trying to say is, di ako makapaniwala na lahat ng, kumbaga, lahat ng edad, nai-enjoy niyo yung music namin. No! Ayun, sobrang na-appreciate niyo yung music namin. Before, there were only like 30 people, 10, 20 people na nanonood sa amin. And hindi namin sila nakalimutan. And now, sobrang dami na rin nyo ngayon. And hopefully, gaya ng sabi ni Pablo, hopefully, sa next balik namin dito, bigger venue na. Of course, nabigyan din natin yung chance, yung mga 18 na hindi rin nakabili ng ticket. Pasensya na guys, nagtatagalog ako kasi medyo expire na ata.
Jet lag.
Yeah. We just want to say that we love you guys so much. And talagang tinitreasure namin yung every moment, every second na nandito kami ngayon kasi it's not every day that an artist mabigyan ng opportunity to be here. Hindi mo nagigis? Gusto mo English ako? Okay. Sensya na. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And mahal na mahal namin kayo. Itigil ko na kasi ang haba eh.
Okay lang yan. Kahit magsalita ka buong araw, okay lang yan sa'yo.
Hindi. Okay na.
Okay ka na.
Okay, baka meron mga English dito eh.
Yeah. Is it hard for you to speak English?
Oh, yeah.
Same.
That's it.
You know, guys, even though we're here in Los Angeles, we are on track. We never lost.
Ano daw?
We never lose.
Is that what you said?
Lost. We are always on track, so we never lost. We are never.
Ay, oo, basta yun. Galing.
Change the joke. Erase, forget what I said, okay? You know what? Here in Los Angeles, everything is right. Because we follow the laws. Yes.
Teka, slow ba ako?
You're lost. You are lost in my joke. But
Okay.
But I just want to say I love you guys. I hope you understand me. Because I am lost. Thank you. Yeah.
But you know, regardless of the venue, expect the best from SB19. So, last time we also performed here, the same venue. But since we're going to perform here at the same venue, we try to up the production, you know, we have dancing now, get better lights, because you deserve the best. So thank you so much, and we hope that when we hold a new concert in a bigger stage, bring your friends, bring your families. Is that it?
Coachella? Bago? Coach Tel, Coach Pablo, Coachella.
Guys, do you want to do the Blue Ocean Wave? Do you guys want to do it?